Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now by isolating power and refrigerant. Unplug the freezer and recover the refrigerant with a certified recovery unit to meet safety and legal requirements. Next, evacuate interior items and tilt the unit for access. Make sure you have 1 m clearance. You will test electrical continuity with a multimeter, then remove the access panel and service valve caps. Once done, depressurize lines and cut the suction and discharge tubing carefully. These are the first actionable steps to expose the compressor. You remove the old compressor by first disconnecting terminals and unbolting the mount. Then you braze out the sealed joints while flowing dry nitrogen to prevent oxidation and contamination. Once the old unit is free, position the new compressor with the same orientation and replace gaskets and rubber mounts to reduce vibration. You will braze the suction and discharge lines, purging continuously. Make sure each joint has a visible braze bead and that you torque any flare fittings to manufacturer spec before proceeding to evacuation. You now vacuum the system to 500 microns and hold to prove leak tightness. This removes moisture that would damage the compressor. Once stable, charge the exact refrigerant weight specified by the freezer maker and add replacement oil if required, following oil type and volume instructions. Start the compressor and monitor operating amps, pressures, and cabinet temperature for 1 hour. Make sure there are no abnormal noises. If the unit trips or pressures spike, isolate power, recheck braze joints and valves. Leak or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.